welcome back to our art and craft class. Children, today again I am going to teach you drawing and we are going to learn the second part of print making. And we are going to do the print making today with leaves and vegetables, that is leaves and ladies finger, means bhendi you have in the house, that. And again you will need some old bangles and knife to cut the ladies finger. So you can see here I have taken the poster colors as you always take, your brushes, the leaves of different shapes, ladies finger here, old bangles, one cutter and your drawing. Now I am going to show you how to take the print of ladies finger and leaves to make a beautiful bouquet of flowers. So please follow me here, I will show you now. Now children, first I will show you how to make flowers, then we will go with the leaves. Otherwise when we are doing the flowers, our leaves will be spoiled. So I have told you to take bangles. So 3 bangles you are going to take and arrange in this way. 2 at the bottom and 1 in between the 2. So this way as you draw rangoli dots. Now you can see here I have taken purple color and white color. So we are going to do flower all over in this circles. Now you are going to take a lady's finger and cut it with your scissor in this way. So after you cut, you can see the seedlings inside. You will remove those seeds. Remove all the seeds, otherwise the print of the lady's finger will not be clear. So after you remove the seeds, you are going to dip your lady's finger in the purple color here. After dipping this, you will start coloring this first one in purple color, giving all the sides dark shade. So you start giving inside this. Can you see? Round and round. All over in the bangle. So your flower will turn into a very beautiful round shape. Don't mix more water. The impression should be clear. So in this way. Now in the second one, we are going to use little white color in that. A little white color to give light shade, as I teach you in the class. So this is a little lighter color here. Same way you are going to give the impression next to it. So you will see the difference of the color here. Then apply more white color and then it will be the lighter shade. Can you see here? Lighter one in the center. This way we have done with the purple flower with the lady's finger print. Same way we are going to do with the orange color here. So please follow me there. Now children, you can see I have taken the orange color here. Again same method what we have done for the first, we are going to follow. Color this complete flower in orange color here. Everywhere. Then again in the second round add little white and then again take the same impression next to it. So keep on adding white to give dark to light shade for your flower. So this way you can see dark shade here. And again we are going to add little white as we have done previously. So mix little white in this. So it will be a lighter shade. Dip your lady's finger in that and again same way next to it you are going to give a light shade here. you are following what I am showing you. This is lighter than the first one, and third will be the lightest in between. Can you see? The same way we'll go with the. So children, after completing the orange one, we'll start with the blue one. I have taken another new lady's finger, removed the seedlings, and again now I am going to take the same impressions I have shown here in the third bangle here. So start doing it same way. Dark blue impressions I am taking on all the sides of the bangle at the edges here. I hope you can see it properly. So this way. Now we are going to mix white as I have shown you. White color again in this blue one to make a lighter shade than the first one. If you feel like, you can cut this portion where you have taken the print and start with the second one. So again dip your lady's finger here and start taking the impression here next to it. This way. You can see the difference, dark to light, and in the center it will be the lightest one. The light one, more white and less dark. Have you seen? We have finished with our flowers in this way. So let the flowers dry, and by the time you will be doing the flowers, and gently you are going to pick up these bangles with your hands and separate it from the shape of a flower in this way.
Start.
So children, after completing the flowers, we are going to go with the leaves. So first, with your pencil, you are going to draw a stem in this way and two leaves on the either side, left and right. Now I have taken the leaves. Can you see the leaves here? Leaves with the proper veins. The veins of the leaf should be seen. So your impression of the leaf print will be on the paper. If you take a flat leaf, there will be no print. So you will take a leaf here and then you are going to apply color to the other side, opposite side, not the front side, the back portion of the leaves, and you are going to apply green color here. Now multicolor I will show you. First you are going to apply green color. Here I have taken dark green. I am going to apply dark green color to the leaf here. Don't make your color very thin. It will be a little thicker one. After applying it, give it a touch of little yellow color above, as I show you when I paint the leaves or trees in the class. So your leaves will be multi-color leaves here. After you paint it, you are going to give the impression of the leaf. This you are going to paste on the line you have drawn here in this way and press it from all these sides properly. So whatever the color is applicable there, it will be on your paper. Press it from all the sides properly. After pressing it, then gently you will lift the leaf. Then you will see you get a beautiful impression of the leaf here. Now this is on the left hand side. Again you are going to do the same thing on the right hand side. Apply dark green color as we have done first, and then the yellow shade above it. Same way. This leaf you are going to put on your right hand side here. have done for the first one. Press it from all the sides. Do not overlap it with your brush or try to paint it with your brush. Whatever print you get, that is enough. Don't rotate your brush on that with color. That is not called print making then. So after you press it properly all the sides as I have shown you, you are going to lift this leaf. So here you are going to get the same impression here. Now these are the two big leaves. Similarly, you can take small leaf and apply the color for that. Same way, children, apply color for the smaller leaf here. A little smaller than that, you can take any types of leaves you have in your garden or next to your house. So again, same way, and you can take the impression on the other side here, this way and this way. Then again, I'm going to keep it on the paper and take the impression of that leaf. And gently pull it out. So you see the second impression is also very beautiful. Same way will be the fourth small leaf. Color should be thick, not thin. Don't apply thin color. Same way on the opposite side, right hand side here. Yes. After pressing it, pick it up gently. If you want one more, you can put it on the top here to make your work look more beautiful. One more you can leave here in this way. Straight today going up. Press it and remove it. This way. Now after you finish that, you are going to take your small brush, whatever you have, 6 number brush or 5 number brush, and then in the same green color you are going to draw the stem here. So you can see you are going to draw the stems here for the flower in this way. The leaves. With the same green color, we are going to draw the stem. So your work will be seen in this way. To make the flower more attractive, you can give a white patch in between your clear white spot. I'll just show you. If you want a white in the center, so just dip your lady's finger here and give a clear white spot here. Or with the same color, you can just give lines here. So our work will look a little attractive. Same way here. same with the blue color. So in this way, your print making with the leaves and lady's finger will be completed, children. Children, I hope you liked today's activity of print making. It is very simple, isn't it? I hope you all will try it. I'm going to submit your print making on the Google Classroom for checking. Thank you, children, and be safe.